From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hi everybody, I hope you're all having a great Tuesday. My name's Emily Shore and let's hop into our forecast. Behind me you can see cloudy skies over Beaver Stadium. It's been quite drizzly here this morning in State College and will remain that way throughout the rest of the day, but right now we've got temperatures of 54 degrees, but take a look at that dew point, also 54 degrees, meaning that we have saturated, muggy conditions this afternoon. Winds not too bad, but with those conditions, with those wet conditions, we're still not having a very pleasant morning and afternoon. As you can see, that moisture has really persisted since the beginning of this week, especially into Monday night. We were seeing a lot of rain across the state. This weekend we were seeing a lot of rain across the state, and we've still got some rain showers floating around here. Looking at our temperatures and dew points, we can really see how the moisture is persisting in our atmosphere. Right here in the middle of the state, we're seeing temperatures broadly in the 50s, but dew points are also broadly in the 50s, meaning that we have a very moist atmosphere, a very saturated atmosphere, and an uncomfortable and rainy one at that. Zooming out to the rest of the state, we can see that these conditions pretty much persist in the entire Commonwealth. We might be hitting 60s on the edges of the state, but still those dew points pretty high for our temperatures right now, and overall just really moist and not super comfortable. Looking at our radar right now, we can see that rain continue to persist. A little bit of clearing here as we move into the afternoon, but those clouds will certainly be sticking around for us. We can account for this because of our remnant low here right off the coast. It's being blocked by a bit of high pressure off in the Quebec region, and so it's really just been sticking around for us all weekend for the beginning of this week, meaning that conditions really haven't been great. We've needed some raincoats, we've needed some umbrellas, and that will continue at the very least for today. Looking out west, we can see another low pressure system causing some rainfall around Wisconsin, around Illinois for them right now. Another part of what's making conditions a little bit uncomfortable this morning, we've got temperatures that are well below average. Like we said, 50s, low 60s across the state. But those temperatures are 10, 15 degrees below average. We should be seeing 70s, and we just are not right now. And so the low temperatures combined with the moisture does not make for pleasant conditions going outside. In our future, though, we're seeing some slightly warmer, some slightly more average temperatures off to the west, which will be pushing our way. So into the weekend, we will be seeing some of those temperatures rise up, which will feel a lot better. Right now, winds not too bad, especially where closer to that low pressure system. We're seeing slightly higher wind speeds, 13 in Philadelphia, 12 in Allentown, but especially for the middle of the state, nothing to worry about for us there. For our future weather, you can see the rain start to go away, but it's going to leave clouds for us here into Wednesday morning, into Wednesday afternoon. Really, we're just going to be seeing clouds stick around even into Thursday morning, where some of that cover will come back for us. However, hope in the future, let's take a look at our 6 to 10 day outlooks. Right now, you can see with these deep reds that we have an above average chance of having above average temperatures. So by the end of the week, by the start of next week, we will start to see those temperatures rise back up. And for precipitation, definitely changing from this weekend and from the beginning of this week. We are expected to have below average precipitation, so we will get a break from the cold temperatures. We will get a break from the precipitation, which will be very, very nice for us here in Pennsylvania. For today, we've got a high of 58, some rain in the area, and winds coming out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tonight, low of 49 with cloudy skies, and for tomorrow, a high of 64, and those clouds will persist. Looking at the rest of the week, you can really see those conditions start to drastically improve, going from rain and a high of 58 today, starting to get a little bit less cloudy Friday, certainly Saturday, as we see those temperatures start to rise up into the high 60s and low 70s, and then by Sunday and Monday, we've got sunshine and temperatures in the upper 70s, which will feel great for us here. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Emily Shore. Thanks for tuning in.